Welcome back to the channel. So I'm driving through central Italy and it is stunning. It is fantastic, beautiful, and the weather's beautiful. I'm heading up to a campsite, getting close to Turin. Now I give myself a few days off from filming. Time to think about my next steps, but more of that later in the video. This is all wine district. Miles and miles and miles of vineyards and quaint wee towns. The campsite that I'm going to, it's a wee bit in the middle of nowhere, so I'm worried about how small the roads might get. This one's getting quite small already, but I'm not too far away, so hopefully I'll be fine. So I'm a few days on from my last video now. I'm cutting across, going through central Italy, and I found a campsite, which is the first one that I have stayed at that is inland, and I love it. Came in, great reception, lovely girl, brought me up. Just really nice friendly place, nice atmosphere, and nice comfortable place to stay. But tomorrow's going to be a very special day for me. It has one thing that I've been looking forward to, especially now that it's hot. Ta-da! Now a few of the other places had pools, but they weren't open, and this one opens from tomorrow, and I can't wait to jump in there. It's roasting hot and I love a swimming pool. I'm so excited. Restaurant, bar, reception. Also, unlike any campsite I've been in for the last couple of weeks, there are very few people here. So I've got a nice secluded spot and I don't think there'll be too many people at the pool. The coastal campsites the last 2 weekends have had tons of families and tons of kids, etc. But it's not looking like that's going to happen here. In saying that, it's only 3 o'clock, so maybe it could still get quite busy. But fantastic. Day 2, this is wonderful. What a lovely campsite. Right in the countryside, you know, and lots of nice friendly people. Still no one to chat to, nobody speaks English, so they're doing the reception, but the people around me, a lot more people have shown up today now, Saturday. Lots of families. They'll be in the swimming pool and all here, and I imagine they just stay to tomorrow, Sunday, and go again. But wonderful. I'm going to head down now for a swim. You never tell if the dogs are loving it. It's fairly warm. They seem fine. Buster, he seems to like sitting in the sun, and Molly, she's always in the shade. But there's plenty of water and a big air unit in there that they can go and sit in front of. Swim time. Expecting to go down, be about 1,000 kids there, but let's see. Now I was busting to get into the water, and just about to go, and that fella came over and he stood talking for ages and ages and ages. He's a nice fella, but oh, I wanted him to go away. And then I noticed when I was doing the film, see this woman raging with me. Raging.
The next morning.
So, on the road again. Now, I'm heading to sort of central France. I have kept changing my mind. It's just, I can't make my mind exactly what I want to do next. But I'm heading central France. I'll stop wherever I stop, and that gives me time to think. I was originally going to go straight to Sofia, and then I thought I'd go down into Spain, and now I'm thinking maybe why not head back home. I've checked flights, and flights are very cheap. As you know, I have to go to Sofia to get my dental work finished, so I could go home, fly to Sofia, get that done. That's in 2.5 weeks time now. Come back, sort out the van, and then take it from there, what I'm going to do next. But who knows, I'm going to give myself another few days to make up my mind. I'm driving through this just amazing scenery. France is something else, really is. It's beautiful. So I'm going to drive as far as I can stand today, and then look for somewhere to park up or camp. Not sure yet, but I'm going to leave the video off there. So if you enjoyed it, thumbs up would be great, comment would be great. If you want to see more of the videos, hit the subscribe button. But until next time, bye for now.